Hello Math 3 students. This is our last video for the year. I'll be closing the grade book on Friday the 5th. Later on this week I have to go to the classroom and clean up the classroom and stuff, so that'll be keeping me busy, and I'll probably record some of it and put it on my YouTube channel as well. I made us this new classroom banner here, our virtual classroom, so I'm going to miss you guys and hope I get a chance to see you guys again when the next school year starts. So let's look at what we have for this week. As far as the assignment, it's pretty small because you do have a mastery assignment this week. So if we take a look at our agenda, we'll see that you have this weekly video, a check-in form like usual, ed puzzle on horizontal asymptotes, and a homework. And then the mastery assignment will be posted on Wednesday and due on Friday, just like it has been previously. I do want you to do all the problems on pages 13 and 14 to show your work. To do the homework and show me that you know what you're doing. And then the mastery assignment will be posted on Wednesday. Okay, let's take a look at that homework. So here's the Ed Puzzle. Remember, if you're struggling to get on Ed Puzzle, open a new tab, go to edpuzzle.com, and log in as a student, and log in with Google. Or if you get an error message, click your username in the top right corner and click go to my classes, and then it'll take you to the assignments that I have for you. Here is the homework. I'm gonna scroll down because the top part is just like some notes in case you want to print them out, but it's not mandatory. So horizontal asymptotes are horizontal lines that the curve approaches but never touches. So if I'm looking at horizontal asymptotes, I'm looking at the lines that go side to side. We learned about vertical asymptotes last week. Right now I'm focused on these horizontal ones. So for example, this one, the answer is y equals -3 because there's a horizontal line right there at y equals -3. Okay, so I would want you guys to go through these problems and tell me what the y equals equation is for the horizontal asymptote in those cases. And then down here is actually calculating the horizontal asymptotes, and that is where Ed Puzzle comes in to help you with that. Okay. Let's set that due date. We do have the due date of Saturday like usual, except for the master assignment, which is due on Friday instead. Alright, like I said, I hope you guys are doing as best as possible. I'm really sad that this is going to be our last video, but I know we all need a little break after these unusual circumstances, and I really hope that I get to see you guys the beginning of next school year, your guys' senior year, and just take care of yourselves, alright? And come say hi to me on campus if you're at West Campus. Alright, bye.